What's up, good people? It's your boy Leander Liva Fetu. Welcome to another episode of Everyday Youth Heroes of Chabalala, where we tell you about inspirational youth in our community doing different things that create employment for the youth and also help fight against drug and substance abuse. So namhlanje I'm with one of the change makers eKasi Bafethu. As I'm doing what she has to say. Sister, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, Mina. So, namhlanje, thank you for joining us. Tell me and the people, who are you, sister?
Okay. My name is Miriam. I am a student recreation leader here at Indlovu Youth Center in Chabalala.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what do you do in general?
Okay. In general, I am a youth advocate. I am a representative to the youth.
Okay.
Something like that.
So, what made you passionate about serving the community?
Okay. So, what made me passionate about serving the community and the youth at large is the fact that I noticed gaps in the community that the youth are not really represented well. So, me being here is a way of representing the youth in ways that if there are opportunities anywhere in the country or anywhere around that I know, I'm able to link up other youths. So basically, all I can say is that what made me passionate is that wanting the youth to be involved in everything in general.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, does it all end here in Chabalala or you are involved in other communities?
Okay, so it didn't start here in Chabalala and it definitely isn't ending here in Chabalala. So first of all, what I can say is I've been dealing with youth in different places such as Pumula South, number one. Number two, we also dealt with youth in Ngozmine, also dealt with youth in different orphanage cares. So yeah, I can't say it is a Chabalala based thing. It's just something that is in me that wants to expand to the other youth that are vulnerable and underprivileged.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what challenges did you face when in engaging with the community, and what are the success you can say you have accomplished?
Okay, so the challenges that we have faced is that until the whole idea is the fact that we want to curb people from the youth from going phandle against indaba zama-drugs and substance abuse, right?
Okay.
So the challenges that we had, some of them, even after we have taught them, after we've groomed them, they will still go back there and do drugs. So those are the challenges, and it demotivates us because imagine you are thinking, now we have helped someone and they can take that knowledge somewhere and also help others. Manje bona, they fall short and they go back to the same thing again. So it's really demotivational, and also it is a challenge. Another thing is, as long as kungela mali, right? You also know it. As long as kungela mali, ama youth, they rarely participate in any activity. As long as there is no food, no money, bona bakufunayo, let there be food and let there be money. So yeah, those are some of the challenges. Then the successes that we faced, most times here kuyagcwala so ama youth bezofunda. When there are events and programs, they come in a large number ukuthi lathi siyazesimangala ukuthi hey. Yeah, so those are some of the successes.
So to another youth ophandle ngale, what message umshiyela yona namuhla wena?
Okay, message engamshiyela yona ukuthi ama-drugs will not get you anywhere. They destroy your future. So what you need to do is focus on the things that are positive in your life.
So Bafethu, that was another episode of Everyday Youth Heroes of Chabalala. Thank you so much for tuning into today's episode. Danko.